It's time for Casey's Crafts, even though this video doesn't even have Casey in it. Hello guys, and we are DDIYs. Today we are going to show you how to make a dress out of an old blanket. So let's get started. And also, we have an interior designer, Cool Cat, and we couldn't do it without her. So let's get started. You will need a blanket and some scissors. Optional, you can also use a mannequin. And make sure the blanket is bigger than your person or someone or you that you are designing it for. So let's get started. First, cut your blanket out in a circle. Unfortunately, ours is a little bit too big to show. So just cut it out in a circle. And make sure it's the right size for your body. Next, fold it in half. Make sure you evenly fold it. Next, cut a little circle for the neck. It'll probably be like a little half circle. So that will be where your neck goes in. Make sure it's smaller than you think. Okay, so guys, I accidentally ruined it because I put an armhole instead of a head hole, but it may be too big to be an armhole. It may be too big to be an armhole, but we're still gonna work with it. So cut another armhole. Once you're done with that, then cut the head hole. If you kind of can see what I did here, I put a little slit down there. So yeah, it's just supposed to be a tiny little head hole because it's better to make it smaller than too big. So yeah, and you can always stretch it out because this is stretchy fabric. So I don't know what type of fabric you're using, but just remember to always make it more smaller than to make it too big. So if you ruin your dress, then you can make it a little bit more bigger. Once you are done making the armholes and the head holes, then you can put it on a mannequin or your stuffed bear that is jumbo, and you can add fringe and style to it. So yeah, ta-da! This is the finished product. So there's little fringes down here, if you can see. It looks really cute. Do not wear this to prom because it may not look the best, so don't just be like, oh no, this is the last minute, but it looks really, really cute. We couldn't have done it without our interior designer, of course, and our two assistants. So thank you for watching this video. If you really like the dress, please give it a thumbs up. Oh yeah, because it looks really cute. And yeah, if you want me to do any more other clothes hacks, you can tell me. And this is my first one, so don't judge it off of this one, but it looks really cute. So thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching Zing Bling our YouTube. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like. Bye.